A critical issue in the current automotive crisis is the substantial inventory of unsold vehicles lingering at dealerships, placing immense financial pressure and resulting in significant losses. This predicament is further intensified by increasing consumer apprehensions surrounding gas-powered cars amid the ongoing transition to electric vehicles. In light of these inventory challenges, manufacturers are resorting to drastic measures, implementing considerable discounts and additional incentives. While this strategy aims to lure potential buyers, lingering skepticism regarding the value of traditional vehicles continues to create barriers. Even amidst substantial discounts, hesitation among consumers lingers as they deliberate the long-term worth of gas-powered vehicles. A notable shift is evident, with many buyers now favoring electric alternatives, significantly altering the future landscape of the automotive industry. To alleviate financial strain, brands have introduced lease and loan incentives, making monthly payments more affordable for consumers. This initiative is designed to prompt individuals to reconsider the prospect of purchasing new vehicles. Moreover, the trade-in bonanza presents attractive bonuses for those trading in vehicles. However, many of these incentives still focus on traditional combustion models, which may not resonate with consumers increasingly inclined toward electric choices. The near-giveaway strategy involves offers that appear almost too advantageous, featuring significant discounts and additional perks, such as complimentary maintenance. This tactic seeks to expedite the clearance of excess inventory for dealerships. The emergence of electric vehicles has reshaped consumer expectations, with a marked increase in demand for environmentally responsible and fuel-efficient models, overshadowing traditional gas-powered cars. This evolving consumer mentality places a premium on sustainability and climate accountability, challenging legacy brands that have historically relied on robust engines and rugged designs for market success. Competitors like Tesla and Ford have adeptly navigated the transition to electric vehicles, aligning their offerings with consumer preferences, while traditional brands struggle to keep pace with EV advancements. The distinct identities of Jeep, Ram, Dodge, and Chrysler serve as both a strength and a limitation, presenting a complex dilemma as they contemplate their shift towards electric vehicles. Their storied legacies add layers of complexity to this necessary transition. The shift to electric vehicles demands extensive overhauls in manufacturing processes alongside significant financial investments. This complexity poses a considerable obstacle for brands accustomed to the traditional combustion engine framework. Jeep and Ram are proactively making inroads into the EV market with the introduction of forthcoming electric models, yet substantial infrastructure enhancements are essential to facilitate this transition. Consumer education and robust service networks will play a crucial role. Jeep is committed to preserving its adventurous ethos while rolling out electric models designed for off-road capabilities, striving to attract loyal Jeep enthusiasts in this new era. Dodge is confronted with the task of reinventing muscle car prowess within the realm of electric vehicles, integrating cutting-edge technology to uphold its exhilarating reputation among car aficionados. Forming partnerships with technology companies may emerge as a pivotal strategy for these brands, enabling them to tap into expertise in battery development and autonomous driving, thereby enhancing their electric vehicle offerings.